Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use multiple stops on Google Maps in 2026. So if you're planning a road trip, deliveries, or just running errands, yeah, this feature makes everything way easier. First, open Google Maps on your phone or computer. Both work, but mobile is the most common for multi-stop routes. Next, tap the search bar and enter your first destination, then hit directions to start building your route. Now tap the Add Stop option. This lets you insert another location between your start and final destination. You can also drag and reorder stops if you want a better route. Google will automatically adjust the travel path for you. If needed, you can add multiple stops, not just two. Just keep tapping Add Stop and enter each location one by one. Google Maps will automatically calculate the best route based on all your stops. Sometimes it even reorders them for faster travel. Once everything looks good, tap Start to begin navigation. Google Maps will guide you step by step through each stop, and if you need changes during your trip, you can still add or remove stops on the go. Just open the route panel again. So yeah, that's how to use multiple stops on Google Maps in 2026. It's super useful for planning smarter trips and saving time on the road. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.